Hello Sherwood Park, rjhomes.ca with RJ Homes and eXp Realty here, and today I'm excited to announce another new listing. This time we are at number 49 in Lincoln Park. This townhome complex is located right in the heart of Sherwood Park. Literally, I can see the Sherwood Park Mall right here. Of course, we're right next to Festival Place, and everything that's in this area is absolutely amazing. You're gonna love walking through the trail system. If you're a golfer, the golf course is right here. Inside you'll find 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, a full basement, and the backyard is fully fenced. Let's go in and have a look. Welcome indoors. So conveniently located right next to the entranceway is this 2-piece bathroom. Of course, the stairs to go up right there. This eat-in kitchen is very spacious. We've got a full array of all of the appliances. You've got the dishwasher, the microwave that's above the range, as well as a fridge. You know what? These appliances were only installed just a few years ago, so there's plenty of life left in there. Now moving onwards through into the dining room area, you've got a full-size dining room and a living room, and this living room is massive. Everything in here is laminate flooring, so no carpets to worry about. The backyard is fully fenced. That's a rare thing these days. All the newer townhomes don't have backyards that are fully fenced. They're all common areas. So if you have a pet or young children, they're all fenced in, nice and happy. And downstairs, we've got a full basement. Upstairs, 3 bedrooms and a full bathroom. Go ahead and explore. So, what did you think? Isn't this just a wonderful townhome? Now, whether you're a family just starting out and you need the extra space, or you're an investor looking for a rental property, this property being located so centrally right in the heart of Sherwood Park makes it desirable for everyone. Plus, bonus, 2 parking stalls right in front of the unit. Thank you very much for watching the video all the way to the end. If you have any questions whatsoever, don't hesitate to give us a call direct at 780-222-8222. Of course, all the information will be on our website at rjhomes.ca. Now remember to always share the video. You never know, this might be the perfect property for one of your friends.